Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video we talking about learning digital marketing. But not only learning digital marketing, but learning digital marketing with a little website called Daily Digital Club. All right, now I did several videos on this company a couple years ago, maybe one last year, I don't remember. But so here's the question. Daily Digital Club, is it worth it, right? If you're somebody who's like scrounging around, you're like, yo, this digital marketing thing is hot, man. I hear there's a lot of money in it, right? And you stumble upon Daily Digital Club and you see where you can sign up for it, whatever. And then once you get involved, you'll see that it's $25 a month to keep access. And then you'll see where there's an upgrade, right, for I think like $100 extra. So for like $125 a month, you get all this access. Then you'll see like another upgrade. But the question is it worth it if you're serious about learning digital marketing? So here's the deal, okay? Daily Digital Club is a legit learning platform, okay? At the $25 a month level, you will learn the basics of digital marketing. Now, is it mind-blowing information that you can't get anywhere else but Daily Digital Club? No, right? Everything is set up, organized, a lot of information, but there's nothing over there that's like, oh my God, I never would have found this, right? But a lot of things is like that. To be honest with you, there's pretty much nothing in a Make Money Online course or program that you can't really find on your own if you do enough digging around, right? But with that being said, it is helpful information. Now, if you are a complete newbie to digital marketing, you do want to learn the basics, absolutely, Daily Digital Club is legit and it will get you going if you have no understanding of digital marketing at all. For somebody who's been doing it for over 10-12 years, yeah, like there's nothing over there that really took me by surprise and had me like, oh my God, this is the greatest thing ever. No. But if I was absolutely new to the game and I saw that stuff, I would be like, yo, this is okay. Oh, wow. It has value to it. Now, where I think people get deterred from Daily Digital Club, and this is all my opinion, it's just me talking, right? It's promoted a lot of times more as a money-making opportunity, and I've done it before. I've done it as well. But it's promoted more as a money-making opportunity than an actual learning platform, right? And I'm guilty of this as well. But why, in my opinion, Daily Digital Club isn't like blown up and super popular, because a lot of people kind of get turned off of it because it's used as a way to sell the opportunity to other people, not necessarily selling the idea of learning digital marketing. It's more like, oh my God, you can make commissions off of these monthly fees. That's usually when you hear about Daily Digital Club, that's how it's presented, right? In a way to be like, oh, you can build this huge business, which is true. It is true. You could build an income from Daily Digital Club as an affiliate and earn recurring income. The only problem with that is selling that idea to people is a lot of people, especially beginners, they don't understand how much work it is to promote that program to build up that income. It is very possible to do, but it kind of deters people away from like, oh, I just wanted to learn digital marketing. I just want to learn how to market on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and stuff like that, and retargeting, all that. I just want to learn that. So if you're a person that really necessarily don't want to promote a daily digital club, right? And you just want to learn digital marketing, then yes, you can sign up for daily digital club and start learning the basics. Now, the problem is, to me, if you don't upgrade with daily digital club, you can kind of be stuck in a situation where you can float through all of the content in 1 month, right? And then in the next month, it's time to pay $25 again, and you might stick with it, but that information that you get at the $25 level, at some point you're gonna be like, all right, I got it. It's 3 months later, I got it. I watched all of these 15 videos, I got it. So it's set up where if you don't upgrade, then your knowledge is going to be capped at the $25, because once you upgrade, then it open up like another vault of like tutorials and this, that. And if you are an affiliate of Daily Digital Club, now you can get much bigger commissions on that. So learning digital marketing can be done with Daily Digital Club, but look at it as, in my opinion, a way to just learn the basics, to kind of, really get involved with digital marketing, and take it from there. And if you want to keep your membership forever, go ahead. But I feel like at some point, maybe a month or two, you're probably gonna be like, all right, whatever. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna cancel the $25 subscription, or are you gonna upgrade to get more information? That's a decision you gotta make. Now, we'll say, keeping it real, if you really feel comfortable in promoting and marketing, and you want to take that and to turn it into a business where you promote Daily Digital Club, yes, you can do it. But just keep in mind, in my opinion, yes, you can make money. I've made money with Daily Digital Club. The only downside is, and maybe I'll do another video on it, Daily Digital Club, in my opinion, has a low retention rate. So you will get those people, just like I spoke about. You'll get people that join for a month or two, and then they quit, either because they already learned the information, so they good, so they move on, or they just quit, digital marketing altogether. So I just found, as trying to build a business with it, it's hard for a lot of people, especially if you're a beginner. It's going to be hard to do, but it is possible if you're willing to grind, and you really believe in the program, and you really are determined. That's what it is. But that's my take on it, guys. Daily Digital Club is legit. Look at it as a learning platform for beginners. And if you want to check it out, I'll put a link below. You can sign up for free. I think you can see a little bit of stuff, but you have to pay $25 to really see the course and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying. All right. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe. See, I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace.